The next big award is the prestigious Golden Architect Award for Excellence in Architecture in India. I would like to share with you that this award is decided on the basis of jury nominations. The recipient of this award is architect Rahul Mehrotra. We'd like to start with the award for Residence Design with a Difference. May I please request Architect Dogan Hasol and Mr. Vikram Somani to come up and award these trophies. May I also request Mr. Suneet Paul and Mr. Shashidharan to accompany them. The award for Residence Design with a Difference goes to Architecture Paradigm, Bangalore, for the project Wilson Garden House, Bangalore. The award for Residence Design with a Difference Commendation Trophy, the jury decided to jointly bestow it on Varsha and Deepak Gogari Associates from Pune for the project Jadhav House, Pune, and Third Space Architecture Studio from Belgaum for the project The House with Two Shisham Trees, Belgaum. I'd call upon architect Deepak Gogari to come first and collect the award. I'll also call upon architect Bavadekar Praveen Sharad to please come forward to receive his trophy. The jury also decided to have two special mention projects for this category. And they are the Courtyard House at Ahmedabad of Hiren Patel Architects, Ahmedabad, and Sheila Jain Residence at Karnataka by Architecture Paradigm, Bangalore. We also have with us architect Manoj Ladhad on behalf of late architect Vimal Jain of Architecture Paradigm, Bangalore. I would request him to please accept the citation on behalf of late architect Vimal Jain. The awardee for the Institutional Architecture Award is Mofa Studios, Private Limited, New Delhi, for the project National Institute of Fashion Technology, Kangra. I'd call upon architect Manish Gulati to please come up and receive the award comprising of a trophy, a citation, and a check for rupees 100,000. The commendation trophy for this category goes to Sanjay Puri Architects, Mumbai, for their project A Pavilion, Surat. I'd request architect Nimish Shah to come and receive the trophy and citation on behalf of their firm. The jury selected 3 special mention projects for this category. They are a community center, Ahmedabad, of Hiren Patel Architects, Ahmedabad, Techno Architecture Office Extension, Bangalore, by Techno Architecture Incorporated, Bangalore, and National Center for Biological Sciences, Bangalore, by ABRD Architects Private Limited, New Delhi. We have with us architect Hiren Patel of Hiren Patel Architects, Ahmedabad. I would request him to please come up and take his citation. We also have architect Rajesh Shivaram of Techno Architecture Incorporated, Bangalore. Could you please come up on the stage? I would also request Anupam Bansal of ABRD and Rajesh Dongre to please come up and receive their citation. I would now request Dr. Sohail Khan and Mr. Vikram Somani to, and if Mr. Xavier Kolako could accompany Dr. Khan. Shifting to the Recreational Architecture Award, the Principal Award goes to the Lotus Praxis Initiative, New Delhi, for the project Ras, Jodhpur. I'd call upon architect Siddharth Tilwar on behalf of architects Ambrish Arora and Rajiv Majumdar to please come up and receive the award, comprising of a citation, a check of rupees 100,000 and a trophy. And the commendation trophy goes to A. Mrudul Architect, Jodhpur, for the project Birkha Bavari, Jodhpur. I'd request architect A. Mrudul to please come up and receive the trophy and citation. The jury selected 2 special mention projects for this category. They are Gorukhana, BR Hills, Karnataka, of Gayatri and Namit Architects Private Limited, Bangalore, and Hotel Mana, Udaipur, of Architecture Discipline, New Delhi. I request Mr. Namit Verma of Gayatri and Namit Architects Private Limited, Bangalore, to please come up and accept the citation. We also have with us architect Akshat Bhatt of Architecture Discipline. I would request him also to please come up and accept his award.
I think it's great to have these awards because I think the recognition of a whole body of professionals doing work. I think it's important for society to know what's happening, but I think within the community too, it begins to set up a discussion and it begins to set up the kind of culture of criticism and reflection, which is very important.